What if I told you that I could show you office outfits that were 1, comfortable, 2, fashionable, and 3, under $40 each piece? That is what we're going to do today. I'm not going to talk much today, but I do want to ask you to, when you comment, let me know where you're watching and commenting from. I love reading the comments, especially if I don't know where you're from, I go and look it up. But also, tell me in the comments which one of these outfits is your favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. I don't need to hear which ones you don't like. But when you tell me which ones you do like, it helps me to plan future outfits, so you have some input into the future content for this channel. But I just quickly want to point out that none of the tops or bottoms I'm showing you here are over $40. In fact, some of the blouses are under $20. None of them require tucking your shirt, which is great for the midlife midsection. And the pants I'm showing you are yoga pants that are actually dressy, like a pair of slacks or trousers. Very comfortable for the workday. And then I also want to point out that all of these pieces come in multiple colors. I actually just ordered 2 more colors of these yoga pants, so I'll have a total of 5 pairs. They are that kind of comfortable. So I'm not going to talk, but let me hear from you in the comments below about what you think about these outfits. Positive comments only, though.